Here's an explanation regarding the generator compatibility for the Deli's refrigeration needs during power outages. The question involves selecting a generator for a Deli with a walk-in freezer and a walk-in fridge, both running on single-phase power, while the store has a three-phase power supply. The key question is whether the linked 12 kilowatt three-phase generator head is suitable for this application. The answer is yes, the 12 kilowatt three-phase generator head is likely compatible with the freezer and fridge, addressing the Deli's power needs during hurricanes. The explanation lies in understanding voltage compatibility, amperage capacity, and wiring configurations. The generator head is rated for three-phase voltage, which aligns with the store's 208Y/124 wire electrical system. While the freezer and fridge have single-phase nameplate ratings, they can operate on a three-phase system as long as the phase-to-neutral voltages are compatible. This means that one leg of the 208Y/120 system, providing 120 volts to neutral, can power the 115-volt fridge, and another leg, providing 208 volts, can power the 208-volt freezer. Amperage capacity is another key consideration. The freezer requires a minimum circuit amperage of 15 amps, and the fridge requires a minimum circuit amperage of 30 amps total between the two condensers. The 12 kilowatt generator head is expected to provide sufficient power to operate both appliances simultaneously, although a detailed load calculation should be performed to confirm the total power demand. Regarding wiring, the generator head should be connected to the store's main electrical panel using appropriate wiring and circuit breakers. This ensures proper overcurrent protection and safe operation. It is recommended that the freezer and fridge be connected to the generator head through separate circuits to prevent overloading. Each circuit should have its own dedicated breaker. Finally, the number of leads on the generator head is important. While the eBay listing does not explicitly state the number of leads, it is probably a 12-lead head. The three-phase voltage requires at least 3 leads for the main phases, line 1, line 2, line 3. Additionally, the 12 kilowatt rating suggests that each phase can deliver approximately 4 kilowatts of power. To achieve this, 12-lead generators typically offer additional flexibility in wiring configurations, including options for Y or delta connections and the ability to supply single-phase loads from a three-phase source. These 12 leads are normally needed for the neutral and grounding connections. In conclusion, the 12 kilowatt three-phase generator head is suitable for powering the freezer and fridge during a hurricane, providing sufficient voltage and amperage capacity, and likely having the configuration of a 12-lead head to accommodate the wiring requirements.